All right, good stuff there from Quaison. Is it called Help or is it called Rise? Help. Okay, we have a new, all right, we'll talk to Quaison later. We'll give you some more information. Great song there. Moving on now, though, between having Natalia on so many times and all the DIYs that we've done, we should ace this challenge because we are just that good.
Speak for yourself.
It's going to be terrible. We're making a design out of leggings after we watch this video. Roll tape. That's a lot of answers to a lot of
last
questions.
one, I wanted to say this morning, I wanted to wear something.
Oh,
and I could, no, this one just was elastic, but not elastic. Elastic? Where you got it?
Elastic?
Yeah. And I couldn't figure it out. Show me about the very first part, because that's exactly what I want to do. The very first part of the video, show it back to me, please.
Okay, so you put that something, the leggings like this.
Not yet, but I want to do what I see them do. Show me back
then,
the something, no? The same thing you went do, no? And what them do? But how much you cut though?
You cut out. Don't look over here, so you're too
But
steep.
how much you cut? See it here, Sim. Yeah?
Bottom.
We don't want to
cut
see
out
no
the
more. I
bottom
don't
of
want
it.
to see any more. What them do about that?
Cut out the bottom of it.
What them do about that?
Cut out the bottom half it.
And then do what?
And then what you do again after that? Show me again, Kerry.
Bring the model, please. Where is the model?
We do.
Where?
We have Magus? Where is the Magus?
Cassandra? Cassandra. Come, Cassandra.
Daniel?
Cassandra. Who is Cassandra?
Hi.
Cassandra,
Come,
I'm
Daniel.
bona fide. Me don't know what to do now. Show me back that. Yeah. hold on.
Okay.
Put this over your head. So,
Should be in your hand. If you're
And put in
experiencing
your
any
hand
discomfort,
inside
let me
of
know,
it.
right?
Okay.
Cassandra, make sure it look good. No?
Dad. Crop top. Ooh, what?
Well, am I not just the greatest designer
In life.
in life?
Wait.
And
Look
pull
now,
up, pull
my
up,
leggings
pull
is
up.
about 6 times smaller than me, which
pull
make
up,
poor
pull up, pull
Daniel into there gonna sophisticate. Still though.
Turn my across this one.
Oh, works.
Can I
And
have
then
this
like that.
after? Yeah.
You
Turn
want
it
it?
around, look.
Of course you can have it. It's not a
Yeah,
problem.
look at that.
Would it look nice
Sandra,
with a pair
mangle
of
up the thing.
jeans? Yeah.
Wait.
Wait.
Excuse me, please. Thank you. Go over to the side a little bit.
I think to
Cassandra,
see how
muddle
we
up the
can
thing now.
accessorize.
And yes, Cassandra. And come back round and come back. Yeah, look at that. I'm spin round 2 times now.
Accessorize up
Yeah.
here with this.
Cassandra, you win. We win easy. Hold on now. So does this piece here alone take out and make it look so good?
Yes, it can't do much.
What you
I'm
doing?
trying to make a clip out of our ear, over here, so. Go on, miss. Yeah, good to go. Stand up, side up. Ah, true. So yours is a V-neck, mine is a round neck. So,
Turn around.
or you can wear it off the shoulder too. Yes! It's just true by now she have on this piece inside here where you can't see the real beauty of it, but
No disrespect. You don't look as good as Cassandra. Cassandra, look there. Look at that.
I think they're both quite nice.
You were waiting on me to say it, so you're not surprised. Cassandra,
We did well, right?
who
I
win?
think this is the first DIY that we've ever done that actually looks like a...
Of course. That's the idea of the game.
It wasn't a competition. Ladies, you both look beautiful. Very nice. You can actually wear those out, you know.
Cassandra, please give me back my things.
Jesus
You're not
Father.
really go anywhere at all.
All right, we'll soon come back. What are you going to do? You wear it? You can wear your shirt there.
My drop off for the table.
I shan't. We'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen.